up, everybody? We're back again with another opening without Ethan. I'm sure he's watching. We got a few Champions Path that I saw when I went to the store at Target. A lot of things have been cleaned out. Saw these two, grabbed them and ran. We're going to get right into these things and hopefully we get the either one of the Charizards.
Look at that. It looks like it's been sealed again. Cheaters. They're cheating me with a resealed case from Target or Walmart, sorry. I can't remember. Patterine V. We had a buddy of ours said get rid of the QR code so the bots can't get it. Thanks. Well, I guess that's just the way they are, because they're both like that. Don't know why I do that, but let's start with this baby. Marnie Trainer. Good things in this. These are really glossy. I don't know if y'all can see that. Eldegrass V. We have this one like 6 times already.
You're missing your partner helping you over here.
Yep.
Shout out to Ethan.
Don't have the partner here to put the cards back for me. I gotta do all the work myself. But I guess that means I'll get to reap all the rewards myself. Share them with him later. Choke. Energy. Come on, man. Back to back, same pulls. I want some metallic energy anyway. So far, no good on the Champions Path. It's garbage. Like they say, Rebel trash. Champion trash. Haven't got anything really good from Champions Path. Something. Whale Lord. I got this one already too. Not looking good. First with Champ, Hatterene. I guess it's inevitable then to get this one. Maybe we'll get the Charizard. Maybe we won't. Viper. Marnie, again. Jesus, these are terrible. Not liking these so far. Should leave these on the shelf next time. Alright, let's get this out of the way. A Champ. Well, man, it's down to last pack magic. Wondering if there's even any magic in this pack. It's been terrible. If I don't get something good, I may not buy Champions Path anymore. Oh, I think y'all saw that. There was something in that one, but I don't know what yet. It's not a rainbow, that's for sure. Alchemy, VMAX. Well, can't say this was a total bust. Centering looks pretty good. A little high on the top, but that will be our pull for the day.
Alright guys, no luck. Not really anyway. Out of 8 packs, we got a couple double pulls of Marnie Trainer, Eldercross V, and a bunch of other nothing specials. Hey, I got a holographic energy card. That's probably my second best pull. But we did get one Alchemy VMAX. And that's probably, that's the cake all in itself. You know, pun intended, because it's a cake. But I will be on the lookout for more boxes. Don't know what we're going to open next. Stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.